Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a math exam in 2 days. First, on day 1, gather all your study materials, including notes, textbooks, and any past assignments. Next, identify the key topics and concepts that are most likely to appear on your exam. Prioritize the areas where you feel least confident or those that carry the most points. Dedicate about 2 to 3 hours to this crucial assessment phase to ensure you focus your efforts effectively. Continuing on day 1, shift your focus to targeted practice. Concentrate on solving practice problems specifically for the areas you identified as weak. Aim to work through at least 10 to 15 problems for each challenging topic. After attempting them, review the solutions carefully to understand any errors and refine your problem-solving approach. Remember to take short, 5-minute breaks every 30 to 45 minutes to maintain focus and prevent burnout. On day 2, start by quickly reviewing all essential formulas and core concepts. Next, simulate the actual exam experience by attempting a full practice test or a substantial portion of one under timed conditions. This will help you manage your time effectively during the real exam. Identify any lingering knowledge gaps or areas that still require quick reinforcement. Dedicate about 1 to 2 hours to this comprehensive review and simulation phase. For the final hours of day 2, briefly revisit any specific problems or concepts that still caused you difficulty. Create a concise cheat sheet with critical formulas and essential problem-solving steps for a quick last-minute review. Most importantly, ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep before the exam. Eat a nutritious meal and arrive early to the exam venue feeling calm, confident, and fully prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.